Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for stopping by Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I'm going to do a neutral, natural look for all my ladies and gentlemen out there who like to wear subtle browns on their eyelids. If you took the time to stop here and visit me, I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do and you'd like to subscribe, please do. I'm using the Tropical Twilight Tammi X Revolution palette. This is the outside and this is what the inside looks like. The whole top row is brown, different shades of brown. So I'll swatch that for you to see, and then we will dive right in. This one is called Dawn. That's Dawn. The second one is called Sand. This is Sand. This one right here is called Tanned. This one is called Sundown. Now this one is called Dreams. The next one is called Horizon. And the next one is called Coconuts. I've used coconuts before. I love it. So these are all of them. There's a nice big mirror. So I'll use Dawn over up here in the brow bone. This is Sand in the brow bone. The next color I want to use is Tanned. Let's see. I have creases in here and I need to fix them. Okay, we're putting Tanned on. I'll do Coconut in the outer corner. Coconut is pigmented. This is Coconut right here. If you hear all this noise, it is because they're cutting the grass. Coconut in the outer corner. Now I'm taking Coconut and I'm going in the crease itself with it. I didn't add any more to the brush, I'm just using what's on the brush. I needed a smaller brush, but I'm already doing this one. We'll switch in a little while. I'll switch to make it work better. I'm looking down into the palette mirror. The palette has a nice big mirror, so I'm looking down into that. I am back with the complete look with natural colors. Brown, I use about 4 different shades of brown. Let us see which ones I use. Want to give a little something neutral, natural for my gals and girls out there that need it, my gents and ladies. I want to give you a little bit of the natural color too. Also, so I used, come on down to the next contestant, this one right here, which is coconut, in the outer corner right here. And I use Horizon. This is Horizon right here. I use Horizon on the lids and all over here. Then I took Tanned. This is Tanned right here. I took that and I put down before I put Horizon. And then I took, no glasses, I'm squinting. I took Dawn and I put in the brow bone just to make it a little lighter, because I know you don't want to go with shimmers, especially to the office like someone mentioned. So I wanted to keep everything. All the colors I used today, they were matte colors. I didn't use any shimmer in my hair dock or on the lids. I wanted to do just all matte neutral. You can do an all shimmer if you want to, but I think you can rock this. Today I use my black Opal cream to powder foundation in Nutmeg 420. I use the Milani Deep number 9 Conceal Plus Perfect to set it. This is today's eye makeup look. This is today's look. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you view my content, please comment and give me the thumbs up. That helps my channel very, very, very much on YouTube. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self, and I will see you in another video. I'm using my son's chair today. He's coming for it in a minute. So, but I'm liking the chair. And to all the people who watch me and view my videos, please share me with someone else. That helps my channel very much. And again, bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.